I'm taught so many ways, different ways of going out of my body, that it feels so normal and so easy. Finally, what I really wanted, what my soul really wanted to know and experience and validate, that what I was thinking all this while was true, finally came true. I had my moment during this training. I felt expanded, I felt part of everything. It was a beautiful experience, ma'am, because I always believe within me that I'm always more than my body, and my consciousness always exists beyond my body. But I knew it as a theory, to be frank. I have had my experiences during meditation, but I never understood how my consciousness actually goes out and how it explores, whether it is really true or not. But with your guidance, I really understood how to. It is so subtle, it is so simple. I used to think that there's some kind of heaviness when I leave my body, and there is a separate energy sort of thing which travels kind of as long as my own body. So because watching movies and things like that, I had a different perception of how out of body works. But now I realize it is just I'm taught so many ways, different ways of going out of my body, that it feels so normal and so easy. Finally, what I really wanted, what my soul really wanted to know and experience and validate, that what I was thinking all this while was true, finally came true. I had my moment during this training. So it was a beautiful experience, ma'am, going out of my body, and I just happened to feel I felt expanded, I felt part of everything. It was a beautiful experience. I got to know that if I say that I'm Kavita, I'm more than Kavita. I've come here to experience something. So when I go out of my body, much larger world exists. So thank you so much. Thank you for this experience. Thank you for this retreat.
Can you tell any experience, which you still remember was too profound, you want to share?
So last experience.
Last experience.
Last experience was, I wanted to. I get the glimpses of UFOs in my dreams. So I also get the glimpses of aliens visiting me. They look different, and I was always curious that I want to be visiting that UFO and see the beings inside the UFO. And today, that was my intention when I tried OB. And the moment I got closer to the UFO, I saw the flash of lights validating. When I found myself closer to the beings again, the moment I get the thought, I get the flash of lights validating the existence around me. So even while we did the group OB together, the moment I thought of a person in the team, in the batch, so I got the validation that they are by my side. So nature has its own subtle ways of telling. You got to have your 5 senses alert, because they'll be very subtle. But it was a beautiful experience. Thank you.
With your eyes closed, imagine a thick, strong rope hanging from the ceiling. Ready to explore more. There are things even in Kailasha beyond the physical perception what you have had now. So try to go beyond that part. Just don't focus. So when I ask you to go there, it's just the physical, how it looks physically.